Hi, I'm Brent Layton with Brent Layton Insurance Agency Incorporated. I wanted to bring you a video today and talk a little bit about fraud. One of the reasons I wanted to focus on fraud is the most common question that many agents get asked is, why is my premium so high, or what am I paying for with this premium? So today I wanted to address fraud, give you some statistics, and talk about a couple of issues that may be interesting to you. First thing to think about is that each year in the United States there's about $40 billion worth of non-health related fraud. So basically every family in the United States pays an extra somewhere between $400 and $700 per family per year in premium on their homes and their autos. So that means that you and I are losing somewhere between $30 and $60 a month out of our budget to pay for the fraudulent activities of other people. Some of the types of fraud are obviously against the law. The first one that we see a lot of is staged accidents, where somebody intentionally hits you, or in some cases people have collusion and get together and stage an accident together and both parties try to profit from it. The second thing that we see is intentional damage to a home or to a business in order to benefit financially. And then the third thing is false claims by service providers, whether that be doctors or hospitals or clinics, sometimes glass shops, and also auto repair shops. But there are other fraudulent activities that may seem less serious, but nevertheless cost millions of dollars a year in lost premiums and in inaccurate charging of premiums. For instance, do you know anybody that has teenage drivers using their vehicles but they've never listed them on the policy? Have you ever had a neighbor brag that they padded their claim after a theft from their home or from their auto? That's a claim that's their type of fraud that's fairly common, and we see a few cases of that even here in Box Elder County. The other thing to think about is somebody that has a legitimate injury in an accident, but then they take additional unneeded time off work before they return. In a short amount of time, that can add up to thousands of dollars. They're all forms of fraud, but shockingly, they say about 45 million people in America don't feel that there's a problem in defrauding their insurance company in certain circumstances, and some of those are the ones that I just described. The other type of fraud I wanted to talk about today is identity theft. Each year in the United States, about 8 million people have some form of identity theft. It might be medical identity theft, might be tax fraud identity theft, or the most common one, of course, is financial theft, where somebody gets your personal information and either uses or opens new credit cards in your name. The bad news is that very few people are ever convicted of identity theft crimes. The good news is that many homeowners insurance policies now offer some coverage for the expenses to help recover your identity. If you have any questions about this video, or would like to discuss the coverages that are available on your homeowner's insurance policy, please give me a call at 435-257-3829.